Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello audience, let me introduce myself. My name is Ilma Zakia and I'm from Jember University. In this presentation, I will share about our paper with the title Electroelution of 31 kilodalton immunogenic protein fraction from the salivary glands of Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus DIPTERA CULICIDAE. Dengue hemorrhagic fever is a disease caused by dengue virus infection and has caused a high number of serious cases in the world. The dengue cases in the world reach 3,019 million each year, with 96 million of them experiencing various acute severities. Dengue vector, there are Aedes aegypti as a primary vector and Aedes albopictus as secondary vector. This mosquito capable to transfer dengue virus through the salivary glands, which contain many protein, can facilitate on the successful blood feeding process to the host. That protein is called immunogenic protein, with ability to immunomodulate the host's immune system. Previous studies of Octarianti et al. 2014 about immunogenic protein were found in the salivary gland of Aedes aegypti is 31 kilodalton and 56 kilodalton based on mass spectrometry analysis. The 31 kilodalton fraction belongs to the D7 family function as anti-hemostatic, anti-inflammatory, anti-platelet aggregation, immunomodulator. This immunogenic protein possible to build a dengue vaccine based on a vector. So it's necessary to perform protein purification. This purpose of the study to purify the 31 kilodalton protein fraction from the salivary gland of Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus using the electroelution method. This research was conducted from December 2020 until June 2021. The place of the research is the Biotechnology Laboratory and Animal Care Unit, Department of Biology, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, University of Jember. Material and research: salivary gland of Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus, 31 kilodalton fraction, the salivary gland of Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus. The salivary gland were isolated by the microdissection method under the stereo microscope following the Smith 2017 method. After that, the next step is separating protein based on the molecular weight used as the SPH. Electroelution method, which was used to elute the protein from polyacrylamide gel with the help of an electric. And the next step is confirming a single band protein with SDSPH. Detection of the electroeluted 31 kilodalton immunogenic protein was carried out using the dot plot method by reacting the protein with specific antibodies, and after that analyzed by imaging software. Western blot in the study was used to provide information of the size and the molecular weight of the protein fraction detected for its immunogenic character. Mosquito salivary gland are isolated are female mosquitoes because contain immunogenic protein that help the process of blood feeding and transmission of pathogens by vector, and a view part of salivary gland as shown as the figure. The SDSPH result of the analysis on the salivary gland. The purpose of this protein separation is to facilitate the process of isolating the 31 kilodalton target protein. And this is SDSPH confirmation show a single band of the visible target protein with a molecular weight of 31 kilodalton indicates that the electroelution step was successful. The result of the electroelution running time 3 hours and 100-fold, and then protein concentration 1.789 milligram per milliliter for Aedes aegypti and 1.81 milligram per milliliter for Aedes albopictus. This is the visualization of the dot plot result. It can be seen that purified 31 kilodalton Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus. Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus have a highest density reacted with the serum pool of endemic healthy people, and Aedes aegypti with 27.48%, and Aedes albopictus 28.54%. This Western blot result in Aedes aegypti show positive result for all serum, but in Aedes albopictus have not been visualized. So the 31 kilodalton protein fraction from the salivary gland of Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus was successfully purified by electroelution method using an electroeluter at the voltage of 100 volt for 3 hours. The success of purification was confirmed using the SDS-PAGE method and showed the appearance of single band of a purified 31 kilodalton protein. That brings us to the end of the presentation. I would like to thank you for all for taking time to listen to my presentation. Thank you.